And here's your jewel spot. You look so comfy.
You're close again, that's real loud.